Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So let's start with the shortest one, which is Asterix pound 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see now, you've been provided with both email numbers to your device, so anytime you need it, simply enter this short code and then know what your email number is. Then let's go to the second code, which is Asterix pound 4636 pound Asterix. And as you can see now, we are in testing mode, so you can check here phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. We will start with phone info, where you can find email number, phone number, if you have your SIM card included. You can run a ping test here, simply click on it, and as you can see here, you've got the solution. You can also check here signal strength, location, cell info, roaming, GSM service, message waiting, and all the others. As you can see, you've got plenty of truly useful info here. You can also turn off radio, you can turn off IMS and all the others. So let me go back. Now we can open usage statistics, where you will be able to check all the statistics regarding your application. So as you can see, all apps are included here. You can check last time used and also usage time. Let me go back and just a sec. Let me enter this code one more time. And the last option is Wi-Fi info. So here you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Let's start with APA, where you can find disable network, disconnect network, enable, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. So we can go back, then we can open Wi-Fi configuration. So here you will be able to notice all configured networks. Here they are. Let's go back. And finally Wi-Fi status. So let me open it, just refresh it to see, and you will be able to see the Wi-Fi status and also run a ping test here, which I previously did. So here you can see that it passed this test. Let me go back. Let's go to the third code, which is Asterix pound 225 pound Asterix. And here you've got the calendar info, so every event from your calendar is included here. You will not forget about any celebration or event from the country that you currently staying in. Then another code is Asterix pound 426 pound Asterix. And here you can check Diagnostics, so you've got here events and status. You can also click on the more icon to see advanced view. And as you can see now, you've got way more info included here. So let me go back, and the last code is Asterix pound 759 pound Asterix. And now we are in the back menu, so here you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation, events sent, and all the others. You can also go to events, pings, or you can view client IDs. And that would be all. These are all super codes for your device, for your V-Mobile S39. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.